Hi, I'm Shannon Rizzo. I am a coach and a consultant for women entrepreneurs who are in their first year of business. This video is for Chantel Turner and the Notable Leader Army. I am actually doing a dual purpose video. I'm going to unbox this amazing gift that she has sent to us for being members of her online group, the Notable Leader Army. As well as the Culture Method. And I was one of the first people to join her new group. I am so thankful that I did. Chantel has an amazing energy, and it is it's so refreshing to see an online coach who actually delivers good information that's solid and helps with our businesses every single week. So on Mondays, she joins the group for 1 hour and she answers all of our questions about how we too can capitalize on the amazing assets on Facebook and other online resources. She brings in guest speakers, but most of all, her high-end energy and her delivery system of really truly wanting to help other people has been an amazing thing for me to be able to be a part of. My schedule is super busy. I am an entrepreneur over 20 years, but recently in the last 2 years, I decided that I wanted to change my business to digital and online. And of course, during COVID, that was a really big thing to have to do, to go to convert from being person to person and actually being online and helping as many people as possible. But with Chantel's coaching and her reassurance that we can do this and that she delivers the tactical information that is desperately needed, that is out there right now. There's not a lot of hype. She gets straight to the point. And she's also very personable and high energy, which I love. A lot of people, I can't really watch that long because they feel like they're monotone or they're going over things that I already know. And I learn at least 10 new things every time I listen to one of the live videos that she is hosting on Mondays in our group. So I just want to thank you, Chantel, for first of all being authentic, being really down to earth, answering every single question, bringing in people that are specialists in the categories where we have questions. It is a full delivery service online Facebook group. The Notable Leader Army is amazing, and I just want to thank you for having us be a part of it. I'm so glad that Amber referred me to you, and I know that your high energy is not for everybody, but it's certainly for people like me who also have high energy. So I also wanted to go ahead and unbox this amazing gift that you sent out to the founders of the Facebook group. We just joined short, I guess it's only been like a month, maybe a month and a half. I've received so much information in the last month and a half that my business has taken off. I am actually teaching people now how to have their own Facebook groups and to nurture their audience. And so I truly appreciate all the work that you've put in over the experiential years that you have served other people and that you're delivering that to us in a very tangible way. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get to it. This amazing box with your logo on it is fabulous. I was so excited when I got the UPS tracking and this showed up today. So I want to go ahead without further ado and unbox this amazing thing. This is the Notable Leader gift box from Chantel. And the first thing is, I hope you guys can see this. I see confetti threads and streamers. The colors are amazing. First of all, we're looking at, hey, Notable Leader, welcome to the Notable Leader Army. This black box is the ultimate companion to the Notable Leader Army. With this resource, you'll have everything you need to plan, launch, and profit with your own Facebook group. She's totally right. I don't know what's in here, but I can tell you everything she's told me so far has been true, so I can't wait to see what's in this box. Notable Leader Army is all about helping you become the notable leader in your niche. That go-to person. Inside this box, you will find the copy of the #1 best-selling book, $1 Million Story. Oh my God, thank you so much, Chantel. As well as the entire companion workbook that follows along with the Culture Method. This is incredible. I have chills right now. Like, I'm so excited. As an added bonus, you'll have access to the Notable Leaders Social Hour. Bring your wine glass. Cheers, everyone. I look forward to seeing you live inside the Notable Leader Army Facebook group. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to head over to the Notable Leader Army Facebook group and ask them or email me personally. And she gave a personal email so we can reach out to her. Your partner in success, Chantel Turner. And then at the bottom, it says $1 Million Story, wine glass workbook, and coaster. So I can't wait to see what these things are. Thank you again before I even unbox this. And I am loving the wrap here. It looks like a big party inside this box. Okay, so this is the wine glass. because you can never have too many. You know, the thing I love about the name of the group too is that we are notable leaders, and I think that our confidence sometimes suffers, especially when we're learning something new. Like for me, I've been a coaching consultant for quite some time, but being online and doing that and trying to find organic leads through, you know, Facebook or paid advertising and that sort of thing is really complicated. So I really appreciate people like Chantel, and especially Chantel, you know, encouraging us and telling us that we are notable leaders. And I think that that is just a great reminder to see on a glass. So I will drink water out of this daily and wine by night. Thank you, Chantel. This is super cute. Love the logo, by the way. And here is the $1 Million Story. Yes! Can't wait to jump into that. And I'm sidetracked. I'm already trying to read it. Okay, so I won't bother you guys with that. And then this is what I'm super excited about, the Culture Method Workbook. I'm totally, look at the confetti on it, guys. Ah, it's like a party. I'm really a person who likes to write, and so during our Facebook group sessions, because we cover so much, I always take notes. I've even actually been listening to the Facebook group when I haven't been able to make it. I've been in my car driving and just listening to all the questions and the answers that are provided, because she really does hit on every single thing you could possibly need to know about having a business on Facebook. So again, I'm really super excited about this workbook because I love to write things down. It's how I remember things. And there's a checklist I see for IQ 10. So thank you for printing that out for us and binding it, because that's something that I'll leave this around to remind me to jump in and do the work, right? So as a coaching consultant myself, it is really hard to keep going sometimes, but these reminders are totally what help us keep focused and really stay the course, because building a business takes time, and it's really, I have invested in my consulting practice over the years, and I don't mind paying for a coach or consultant, because you can do things on your own 100%. You can get there, you can do it, but if you want to do it quickly and you want to do it well, you need to hire a coach or a consultant. This group is a really great way to do that because it's affordable. You get to hear other questions. You know, sometimes we're not ready for the kinds of information that we receive, but you hear someone else ask a question and you kind of know where you're going. So maybe they're a little bit ahead of you, maybe they're a little bit behind you. And being in these groups is really helpful because you kind of get to gauge where you are in the process, and it helps kind of set the expectation for yourself. You also get motivation, encouragement, and you get to try things, and before any delay, do bad things. You get to try things inside the group so that you can mess it up there and not have to worry about messing it up when you're doing it live on Facebook. So I really appreciate these gifts, and I think there's supposed to be a coaster in here. Here it is. Okay, there's a couple of them. Awesome. So this box is super cool, Chantel. Thank you again. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and dive into Monday's session. I wasn't able to join, but I'm so thankful that you post those afterwards for us. Mondays are a very busy day for most entrepreneurs, and most of the time at lunchtime I can make time for that. The last couple of weeks have been crazy. I've been a little bit busy, which is amazing, and I just want to say thank you for helping me, encouraging me, motivating me, and giving me that energy that is needed at the very beginning of the week. And I appreciate it so much. So we'll talk to you guys soon. If you are the kind of person that wants to make progress and are really serious about your business, I really think that you should join, and you'll see us there because we're there every week. So toodaloo.